truck. Let's see if the frame holds up. This is the frame off of 2003 or 4. Half of it is we duct taped on there a few years ago. It's still holding up pretty good. We don't misuse it or anything. We've only pulled a full-size school bus 15 miles. Hauled a couple ton on here. So yeah, we're gonna move some stuff around over here in Fourville 1 and haul some scrap. We're gonna do some scrap videos. We got the old $500 dump truck over here to load some of that stuff in. That's the plan anyway. Let me know if the bumper's still on here. What was that?
That sounds good.
Hey, we made it.